guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're talking about one of my favorite things, which is how to increase your energy without changing your diet. So I don't know how many people walk into Plant every single day and they're like, oh, I want something for energy, or how many clients come to me and I want to have more energy, right? We all want more energy. So how can you do that without completely uprooting your kitchen or your pantry, things like that? So in my opinion, our digestive systems take up more energy than anything else in our bodies, right? That's why after Thanksgiving or after big meals, you get tired and you have to take a nap. So if our digestive systems control a big piece of our energy, then we have to eat in a way that is light to heavy. And that doesn't mean, light to heavy doesn't mean that breakfast is the lightest meal or the smallest meal. It just means it's the easiest to digest, right? So we're eating light to heavy, but we could also say we're eating in accordance to how we digest and absorb food. So breakfast, so fruit digests the fastest. So fruit's always the fastest to digest. Then you're gonna have vegetables, then you're gonna have nuts and seeds, whole grains, beans, then things like some animal proteins like fish and eggs would come into the mix. Then you're gonna have like your heavily processed, thicker animal meats, processed foods, things like that. So those are gonna be the heaviest, right? So even if you're not a vegetarian, that's okay. There's still a time and a place where you can mix those things in without risking losing your energy or without feeling tired during the day. So light to heavy, right? So fruit always comes first. So start your day with those superfood smoothies that we've been posting. Look at our smoothie pack recipe YouTube video, make smoothie packs, have that at home. You could also just do a bowl of fresh fruit. You could do some vegetables as like a scramble in the morning with some potatoes, things like that. So eat fruit first, then your vegetables. So that's why lunch here at Plant, we always serve like salads and roasted root bowls and things like that. Then as you get, through the day, as you get farther into the day, you can bring more into the mix at night. So dinner is where I would recommend having the most flexibility. So again, eating really good all day long. And then at night, if you're, a big family and you're having pizza or burgers or whatever it might be, have a side salad before so you're not starving, so you don't overeat, and then just consume what the family is consuming and do the best you can, right? So even if you're someone coming to the table and you're like, hey, I don't want to change my food, but I want more energy, just switch the order in which you are eating things. So fruit first, then vegetables, then your whole grains, nuts, seeds, beans, legumes, and then keep your animal proteins and your processed foods for later in the day. Try that for a month, see how you feel. I would love to hear your input, see what changes you notice. As always, be sure to comment below, let me know how I can help, and I'll see you soon.